Have you noticed the leaves of your snake plant curling up like a tiny green spiral? It might look harmless at first, but beneath that twist hides a silent alarm. Your plant could be under serious stress, and if you don't act fast, those elegant upright leaves could lose their strength and beauty. Before we dive in, if you enjoy houseplant care tips and love helping your green companions thrive, please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss our weekly plant care videos. One common cause of leaf curling in snake plants is excessive heat or improper temperature. When the ambient temperature rises too much, the plant tries to reduce water loss by curling its leaves inward. The cells shrink slightly, and the leaves roll to protect themselves. This is basically the plant saying, "I'm losing water and I'm stressed." Another big factor is improper watering, either too much or too little. Overwatering can drown the roots, so the plant sends water into the leaves, and they curl. Underwatering, on the other hand, leaves the soil dry, and the plant can't get enough water, so the leaves curl to conserve what little it has. The next culprit is soil issues and pH imbalance. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, the plant can't absorb certain nutrients such as iron or zinc. That nutrient stress shows up in curled or distorted leaves. Also, heavy or compacted soil with poor drainage can lead to root stress and leaf curling. And finally, lack of light, low humidity, pests, or root damage can all add up. Low light causes weak growth and leaves that are thin and more prone to curling. Dry air or inconsistent humidity makes the plant struggle. Pests or fungal diseases can damage roots or leaves and trigger curling as a symptom. So how do we rescue your snake plant? First, correct the basics. Make sure it's in a spot with bright indirect light, not deep shade. Use a well-draining soil mix and a pot with drainage holes. Check the soil pH if possible, or at least use a good quality houseplant soil. Water only when the top few centimeters of soil are dry. Avoid both soggy and bone-dry extremes. Next, keep the ambient temperature stable, ideally around 18–27 degrees Celsius, 60 for -81 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid placing the plant near strong heat sources or cold drafts. Maintain moderate humidity and good air circulation. If you spot pests like mealybugs or spider mites or fungal signs, treat early with a safe insecticidal soap or fungus treatment. Report if the roots are clogged or the plant is clearly root-bound. Have you seen your snake plant's leaves curling? And if so, what did you try to fix it? Drop a comment below and tell us your experience, and maybe share a photo. Your story might help someone else. Thanks for watching, and may your plants grow tall and strong. May your green friends stay healthy and viva always.